What is going on YouTube? It is I, TJ Max, working on our famous 2500 Ram 2020 truck, currently sitting at this mileage. Real common issue, guys, you guys go to start it and it just clicks. Shit was driving me crazy, guys, because we have a good alternator, brand new battery. You guys are gonna want to check under the truck. Check that nasty little starter, guys. Shit you not, check your power cable nut. The nut that retains the power, you guys are gonna want to tighten that up. It's probably loose by now. In this case, it was a size 13. I'm using a wrench with a small extension. Tighten it up nice and tight, and should fix your problem right up. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.